How to earn money without leaving your bed. In today's digital age, the concept of making money without leaving the comfort of your bed has become a reality. The rise of the internet and remote work opportunities has opened up new avenues for individuals to generate income conveniently from the confines of their own homes. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone looking to supplement their income, here are some effective ways to earn money without ever leaving your bed. Freelancing. Freelancing has emerged as a popular way to earn money remotely. With the advent of online platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer, individuals can showcase their skills and offer their services to clients worldwide. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, programmer, or translator, there are countless opportunities available in various industries. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and the dedication to complete tasks within deadlines. Online surveys and market research. Many companies are willing to pay for your opinions and feedback on their products or services. Numerous websites and apps, such as Swagbucks, SurveyJunkie, and Toluna, offer rewards or cash for completing surveys, participating in market research, or testing new products. While this may not make you a fortune, it can provide some extra income while you relax in bed and share your thoughts. Virtual assistants. As businesses increasingly embrace remote work, the demand for virtual assistants has surged. Virtual assistants provide administrative, technical, or creative support to individuals or companies remotely. Tasks can include managing emails, scheduling appointments, social media management, data entry, and more. Websites like Zirtual, Time, etc., and Upwork often list virtual assistant job opportunities. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can leverage your knowledge to become an online tutor. Platforms like VIPKid, Chegg Tutors, and Tutor.com connect students with tutors for various subjects, including language learning, mathematics, science, and more. With just a laptop and a stable internet connection, you can teach students from around the world and earn money while staying in bed. Content creation. With the rise of YouTube, podcasts, and blogging, content creation has become a lucrative avenue for earning money online. If you have a passion for creating videos, podcasts, or writing, you can start your own channel, blog, or podcast from the comfort of your bed. By monetizing your content through advertising, sponsorships, or crowdfunding, you can turn your hobby into a source of income. Online selling. E-commerce platforms like Etsy, eBay, and Amazon have made it easier than ever to start an online business without leaving your bed. If you have artistic skills, you can create and sell handmade crafts or digital products. Alternatively, you can source products from wholesalers or drop shippers and sell them online. The key is to identify a niche market and offer unique products that appeal to customers. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular method to earn money by promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale or lead generated through your referral. Many companies and online retailers offer affiliate programs that allow you to earn a percentage of the sales made through your unique affiliate link. You can promote products through your blog, social media channels, or even by creating product review videos. Affiliate marketing can be a passive income stream once you establish a strong online presence and a loyal audience. Online stock trading. For those interested in the financial markets, online stock trading provides an opportunity to earn money from the comfort of your bed. With online brokerage platforms such as Robinhood, TD Ameritrade, and E-Trade, you can buy and sell stocks, bonds, and other financial instruments. However, keep in mind that trading involves risk, and it's important to educate yourself about market trends and strategies before diving into the world of online trading. Renting out space. If you have an extra room or property, you can utilize platforms like Airbnb to rent it out to travelers and make money without ever leaving your bed. By listing your space, setting competitive prices, and providing a welcoming environment, you can earn a significant income from short-term rentals. Additionally, some platforms even offer options for renting out storage spaces, parking spots, or even equipment, allowing you to maximize your earning potential. Online stock photography. If you have a knack for photography, you can monetize your skills by selling your images through stock photography websites. Platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Getty Images allow photographers to upload their photos, and whenever someone purchases or licenses your image, you receive a royalty. This can be a great way to earn passive income as your images can continue to generate revenue long after you've taken them. Online courses and webinars. If you possess expertise in a specific field or have valuable knowledge to share, consider creating and selling online courses or conducting webinars. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Coursera provide a user-friendly interface to create and market your courses to a global audience. By leveraging your skills and teaching others, you can generate a steady income while imparting valuable knowledge. App development and reselling. If you have programming skills, you can develop mobile apps or software from the comfort of your bed. With the increasing demand for apps, there is a market for both customized and ready-made applications. Alternatively, you can purchase pre-made apps and software from online marketplaces, modify them to meet specific requirements, and resell them for a profit. This avenue requires technical expertise, but it can be highly lucrative if done correctly. Online trading and investing. Engaging in online trading and investing can be a profitable way to earn money from the comfort of your bed. Platforms like eToro, Robinhood, and Interactive Brokers allow individuals to trade stocks, cryptocurrencies, forex, and other financial instruments. By conducting thorough research, learning about market trends, and developing effective strategies, you can potentially generate income through trading and investing activities. Online gaming and esports. If you enjoy playing video games, you can explore opportunities in the world of online gaming and esports. Platforms like Twitch and YouTube Gaming allow you to stream your gameplay and monetize it through subscriptions, sponsorships, and ad revenue. Additionally, you can participate in esports competitions and tournaments, where cash prizes can be won. With the growing popularity of esports, skilled gamers have the chance to turn their passion into a lucrative source of income. The internet has opened up a wealth of opportunities for individuals to generate income from the comfort of their own homes. Whether it's freelancing, online surveys, virtual assistants, tutoring, content creation, or online selling, there are numerous avenues to explore. However, it's important to approach these opportunities with dedication, professionalism, and a commitment to deliver quality work. So, why not leverage the power of technology and start earning money without ever having to step out of bed? That's all for today's video. We hope you find our video informative and helpful. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more tips and insight, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content.